This case is as heartbreaking as it is legally complex. A father charged with making a firearm accessible to a child, a mistake that ended in tragedy. But here's the legal twist. This isn't about intent, it's about responsibility. Watch how the judge walks Mr. Gutierrez through every right he's giving up as the courtroom falls painfully silent.
Mr. Gutierrez, you were charged with making a firearm accessible to a child. This is a Class A misdemeanor, and you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You are here before me now because you have not been able to come up to an agreement with the state. State is waiving, and they are agreeing for you to come to punishment with me regarding this offense. Is this how you understand it? You need to understand that you waive a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. Once you enter into this agreement, you cannot back out.
This moment right here, it's critical. When the judge says you cannot back out, he's not being dramatic. It means once Mr. Gutierrez pleads guilty, there's no undo button, no trial, no second chance. Imagine signing away your freedom with just one word, guilty.
You cannot get cold feet. Say, you know what? I changed my mind. I'd rather go to trial, or I'd rather do something else. Do you understand? You need to also understand that you're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, the right to be arraigned, charge read in open court. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal as well. Is this how you understand it? Okay. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to reserve sentencing now until what day?
Your Honor, whatever pleases the court, we'll make sure that the witnesses are ready to go.
Okay, I'm okay with whatever. If you want to do the week of the 30th, I'm okay with whatever day you want. You guys pick it. It doesn't matter to me.
That'll work, Judge.
There's one more thing that you need to understand is that this can have grave consequences on immigration. If you are not a citizen of this country and you ever want to become a citizen, if you ever want to get documents, if you want to become an LPR, a lawful permanent resident, this could affect that. Do you understand?
Entiende.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone to seek immigration counsel?
Now here's where it gets even heavier. The judge brings up immigration consequences because in U.S. law, even a misdemeanor like this can destroy someone's path to citizenship. It's not just a legal case anymore. It's a life-changing crossroad. Backhand index pointing right, quick question for you. Do you think non-citizens should face immigration risks for crimes like this? Or should family tragedy count as punishment enough?
Migratoria o afoseos migratorios.
Yes, sir.
That's probably something that if you're not a citizen, I would probably do. This is your life. He has told me that he's counseled you to do this, and I guess you still haven't done it. You need to take these things seriously because they can have very serious consequences on you and more so on your family. Do you understand?
Entiende.
Okay. So what I'll do is okay, I've marked here that you've advised him to seek counsel of an immigration lawyer. He has not done that so far, so that in the event something should happen, you've also filled out the immigration form, I'm presuming, right? Okay. These cases, Mr. Gutierrez, are never pretty. It's
You can feel the judge's tone shift here. It's no longer about legal procedure, it's human. When he asks, is the death of a child enough punishment? That's not in any law book. That's a man, a judge, trying to find meaning in something senseless.
I can't imagine. Is the death of a child enough punishment? I don't know. I would certainly hope that at this point you don't have any guns in the house. Doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter what you're doing, but I hope that it's enough that you've taken all weapons out of your house now, because kids will be kids. That's what they are. They don't understand. I don't know what we're going to do at this point, but I will tell you this, Mr. Gutierrez, that I really, really, and truly appreciate proactivity when it comes to behavior. And so that I can appreciate so that I know that you appreciate the consequence of what has happened here. Because this is about one of the worst things that can possibly happen. It's horrible. It's terrible. And
This is where courtroom law meets raw humanity. The case will go on, witnesses will testify, but deep down, everyone in that room knows there's no sentence harsher than living with what happened. Sometimes justice isn't about prison. It's about the weight that never leaves you.
I shudder to think that if one of my kids had been in this position, it's just. So let's come back, Mr. Gibbons, and
John.
when we come back, show me what you have. I guess we'll talk to your witnesses, and I'll tell you that, like I said, proactivity goes a long way.
John.
You telling me you've done something means nothing. Actions speak louder than words.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, guys. So we'll see you. You pick the day, and we'll see you on that day.
Your Honor.
Okay.
May we be excused? Thank you. Thanks.